Hi, doing another review here for WME Time. This is the new watch that I just purchased. I purchased the Daytona and now I'm purchasing Cartier Santos black on black. This is what I really have been wanting, more sporty, more cooler vibe. So without getting into all the cool details, this is the beautiful red box right here. As you can see, look what you get. You get authenticity card right there, fantastic. I've got to put the date on there. You get your booklets, you get one, you get the other one, and then boom, beautiful box. I'm gonna, before I show you, go to WMLtime.com, go to Spacetime, get their watches, they're amazing. Let's see, push this button right here, sorry guys. You ready? Voila. Fantastic, cool, black on black. Cartier Santos. Fantastic find, fantastic buy. This is something that I'd wear every day. Really, really cool. Having coffee right now, but wanted to give you guys a full review. Let's see if I can focus. There you go. Beautiful. All right, go to WML Time. Purchase their watches. Ordered this on a Sunday, got this on a Friday. Amazing, amazing shipping, fantastic packaging, customer service as always, brilliant. WML Time, best watches to buy.